Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am sharing 5 natural cleaning recipes for the new year. If you are like us, we have gone through, I've already checked out a book from the library on minimalism, and I've been decluttering our whole house, and with that comes some extra cleaning too, because when you're removing things, there's usually dust, and I like to diffuse while I'm cleaning and decluttering, and so it's a whole thing. But I love doing a New Year's reset with our house. We just consume and accumulate so many things during like November, December months, from Christmas and just the holiday season. So I like to take down Christmas and then also declutter all of our house. So this is going to go along with that. Hopefully you're doing that too, because it's really important to not just collect things. So let things collect dust in your home. Make sure you're going through and checking out what you use and what you don't use, because the biggest thing I took away from the book that I just read, which I will put here or down below, is that when we're just letting things sit in our homes unused, it's like not to the item, like donate it so someone else can use it. Don't be an overconsumer. It's really important. I actually, going on a tangent now, this isn't even related to cleaning, but I'm even considering removing Amazon as an option for shopping. I know that sounds bizarre and crazy and backwards, especially in this world, but it's just important, and it's hard to be mindful when you can just one shop or whatever. So anyways, if you are resetting and doing a lot of cleaning this new year, I have 5 recipes, and in the blog post all the recipes will be like listed out. And I also have my favorite brands of essential oils, which you guys know I'm picky about my oils. They have to have certain things, and so they're the very best, and those will be linked here too. But the number 1 recipe on the blog post is an all-purpose cleaner. Now I use Revive's multi-purpose cleaner. It is the immunity boost. I think I have 2 immunity boosts, 2 similar blends, but I'm pretty sure it's the immunity boost multi-purpose cleaning concentrate. If you're a Young Living person or where it's the dupe. So I use the concentrate and I use it for everything. So stop here now, go buy that cleaner and just skip the rest of the video if you want. But I have some people like to make their own things. You can even add this. This video is for the DIY people, but that concentrate makes it super easy. I use it on every single surface in our home, just like I did the thieves. It works on glass, windows. It is the best thing that's ever happened to my cleaning routine. But anyways, that concentrate will linked, but the recipe for this is white vinegar, water, and then essential oil. So immunity boost would be a great one. You can use any citrus oil. There's just the different essential oils that boost cleaning power. Pine is a really popular one. If you guys grew up in the 90s, like I did, Pine Sol. What's the other? The spray dusting spray. Pledge and Pine Sol were 2 like staples in Febreze, which I could never now, but growing up that's what we had. But Pine for the Pine Sol vibes, and Pine also has some different properties in it to maybe help too. Lemon is a great one. Orange, all of the citrus oils are going to help with both power and also boosting your mood because they smell so good. Tea tree, also an all of the things, antibacterial, antimicrobial, so it will help boost in that power as well. So the recipe is here. Just mix it all up in a 16-ounce spray bottle. If you are going to purchase the Revive's cleaning concentrate and make things really simple, I just use a splash. I don't even measure. I just splash. It might be like a tablespoon of cleaning concentrate and then fill it to the top with water. And that's how simple that is. The number 2 recipe is glass cleaner, and so this is going to be kind of the same thing: water, white vinegar, cornstarch, and then for this you can also add essential oils too: peppermint, lemon, pine again, but you don't have to. And this is just going to help with cleaning glass surfaces. Make sure you're using like a microfiber cloth. Something reusable is best, and microfiber is like my go-to for cleaning. But trying to use a ton of paper towels or be wasteful when you're cleaning. Number 3 is DIY floor cleaner, and this is going to be so hardwood floor, like real wood, is hard tricky because you can't really steam clean it, or I don't know, you can't use certain things. It might take away the finish. So if you have real hardwood floor, this is not for you. or proceed with caution with these. This is for, we have just LVP, whatever, the laminate vinyl, the plank flooring, the waterproof, life-proof flooring. That's amazing, especially if you have pets and kids and spills everywhere. This one is white vinegar, water, olive oil, a tiny bit, just to kind of give you like the shininess. I know I like to do that, not a ton though, because it can make it slippery, but just to kind of look a little bit more like real wood to me, in my opinion. And then eucalyptus or pine. Pine's a really popular one for using in floor cleaners. While we're on the topic of floor cleaners though, can I just share quickly, I have the best floor cleaner ever. I was using like a wet or a Swiffer, like wet whatever mop, and I was regularly until I got this wet vac. I think that's what it's called, but it basically vacuums up and cleans at the same time. It has this really cool roller on it that rolls and spins and like gets up dirt and liquids, and then a separate compartment for the solids. It's amazing, and it is disgusting all at the same, because it, like I said, regularly, then I used that and it was like chocolate milk coming up off my floors. I'm like, I wasn't cleaning. This was not clean, and that disgusts me. But anyways, if you don't have a wet vac, there's lots of brands. Teneco is a brand that I really like, but my wet dry vac, whatever it's called, is High Zero. I will link both options in this post as well. Number 4 is a natural carpet refresher. We have minimal carpet. I hate carpet, loathe, entirely will not buy carpet again in this house. The upstairs has carpet because it's basically all bedrooms, and that's fine, but I will not replace this carpet with more carpet. It is disgusting to me. What is underneath, like I've taken carpet before in our old home, and what is underneath is like, you don't want to know. It's so bad. You can't clean it properly. Like we have a carpet cleaner, but it's just like with a hard floor, you can clean very, very precisely. And that's my tangent on carpet, but we do have some nonetheless. So what I like to do to refresh the carpet, it's smelling a little weird. Like we have a cat and a dog, and kids, soda and essential oils. It's really easy to make. You just make it in like a mason jar, poke holes in the lid, and you can sprinkle it on, let it sit overnight or for however long you want. The longer you let it sit, the more it's going to work, and then just vacuum it up. But that's a really good alternative to really fragrancy carpet sprinkle that you can buy at the store. Bathroom disinfectant is number 5, and this one is a recipe of water, vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and then tea tree. Just because tea tree is super powerful, and we want the most effective things for like the cleaner. And this can use on the toilet, on the sinks, wherever, on the floor around the toilet. But there's a recipe for that too. And then I have a post from a really long time ago when I first started getting into oils and natural cleaning, and it is packed with recipes also. These are kind of different, so I wanted to share. I will put that link in this post so you can kind of go to them, but that has different recipes. It has a soft scrub and a bunch of different things, and so there's endless possibilities when it comes to making your own natural cleaners. But like I said, if you want to make it super easy, just get that concentrate. It kind of just makes it easy. Okay, go to the post if you want those recipes. I will link it down below. I want to know, are you guys in this mood too? Are you decluttering everything and just resetting after the new year? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what your favorite cleaning recipe is, what you like to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop. I will link that down below. Lots of different guides and aromatherapy journals, planner. Thank you so much for watching to the end. I hope you have a great day. Bye.